Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the first flakes of snow about 5-6 hours away. Fortunately, we're not going to be dealing with a real big storm, but some snow nonetheless, and eventually sharply colder air. Now, on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, we're still dry under clear to partly cloudy skies, so no precipitation, at least not yet, though it will arrive during the pre-dawn hours. But here are the weather headlines, and tracking a system across the Midwest, which will bring the snow, and small accumulations are likely. And we'll give you some specific numbers in just a second. And then much colder air behind that, waiting in the wings. That will arrive for tomorrow night, and especially by the weekend. Downtown Providence is actually quiet. I mean, temperature's not bad in the upper 20s. It's dropped off 2 degrees in the last hour. Winds west-southwest at 3, and the humidity creeping up now a little bit at 71%. You can see the leading edge of the snow now just outside of New York City, a more solid area of steady snow through central and western Pennsylvania. This will overspread southern New England during the pre-dawn hours and continue through most of Friday. Here's a wider view area of low pressure. It's a fast mover, and it's fairly weak, and that's the reason why we're not anticipating any kind of significant snowfall. This will track just south of New England, and then eventually out to sea by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. So a fast mover and kind of a light, dry, fluffy snow that's on the way. The kind of snow you can almost sweep away with a broom. And notice behind the storm system, it is much, much colder, well below zero. Now, it won't get that cold around here, but a piece of that very cold air headed our way for the weekend, along with some bitter wind chill. So here's how it breaks down. For the overnight hours, late at night, cloudy skies. By around 5-6 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see some flurries and light snow showers developing. Now, kids heading out to school or heading out to work early in the morning between 7 and 8:30, looking at some light snow. Temperature at that time running between 23 and 28. I do expect the light snow to continue through most of the afternoon hours. Temperatures around 32. How much snow? Statewide, and that's not a 12, that's a ½ inch. So ½ inch to about 2 inches of snow, very dry and fluffy, easy to sweep away and move. Temperatures around the freezing mark. Here it is in more detail for you Friday afternoon. Most areas in and around, say, 32, 33 degrees. The wind won't be terribly strong, in fact, rather light, and at least initially at 5 to 10 miles per hour. But periods of light snow will continue. Again, ½ inch to 2 inches is what we're going with, so just small accumulations. That includes southeastern Massachusetts. A lingering snow shower tomorrow evening, then clearing out, setting up for a dry but blustery and sharply colder weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Even with the sunshine, daytime highs mid-20s, wind chills in the single digits and teens, and the nighttime temperatures even colder. So rather blustery and chilly for the Patriots game in Foxborough on Sunday. And again, light stuff for tomorrow. Take it slow, just enough to cause some slippery travel, so allow a little extra travel time.
We will. No need to run for the
not that much.
milk.
The broom. The broom.
The broom. Okay. Coming up next, Eyewitness News at 11. Tony's predicting more snow, more cold weather, but my best bets includes a place to help you imagine some fun in the sun.
You're watching Eyewitness News.